In this video, I'll talk about expression and statement. So what is expression and what is a statement? Well, both of them are very important to know, because in the some video earlier I told that there are some terms in programming language you have to understand. If you don't understand those terms, you cannot talk with other programmers. You cannot understand what other programmers say. When you help other programmers, when you work on a really big projects, so you can speak with them. So technically, if you don't understand these terms, you cannot speak with them, so you cannot understand what they say. So expression and statements are the same, which are terms in programming language. Doesn't matter any programming language like Python, Java, JavaScript, or any programming language in the world, but you have to understand these terms. These are special terms. So let's talk about expression first. So what is an expression? Well, an expression is any piece of code that produces a value. Like let's have result, like result is 10. So what is expression here and what is a statement here? So we just say that the complete line is a statement. What does it mean? It means that a statement is a complete instruction that performs an action. Well, it does something, but might not produce a value directly. So it does something, the complete line, but it does not produce any value. So this is the complete line as a statement. When you next time when you talk with a programmer, or when you just have a conversation, when you say that statement, you mean this complete line. For example, age is 25. This is a statement. The complete line is a statement. But what is an expression here in this line, in line 3 or line 4? Well, in line 3, number 10 is an expression, and here number 4 is an expression, because as I said that an expression is any piece of code that produces a value. It produces a value 25. So here two part. The complete one is statement, and only this part is an expression. Well, it is very simple. An expression also can be as simple as a number or a more complex combination of variable in operators. We have like for example 2 plus 3, and like hello plus volt, and these are expression. For example, if I have here a variable like word, so the whole line became a statement. So this is the difference between a statement and an expression. So next time when you talk with a programmer, you will understand this very easily. So one question might be in your mind, that why you should know this. Number one is you have to understand the terms. Second, helps you write correct code. It will not like create mess for you when you write code. So this is very simple.